Hello and welcome back to Feature with Pulley. Let's continue our Pulley, and today in part design we're going to be making three different elements. We can call this element Muff, and this could be our first Muff, and OK. Now we can open our YX plane, and on this plane we can sketch two different circles. We want coincidence between our point and the origin of this 2D system. This is our first circle, let's say 8 millimeter, and we need a second circle, let's say 12. We want coincidence between these two different elements. We can select both and let's say concentricity, and let's click on OK. Now exit workbench, and now with our part we can extrude this element, let's say 6.5, and let's click on OK. We can hide our plane, hide and show, and we can add a material, so we can use as always an metal green, silver gray, and we can select our muff and apply material and OK. This is our first element, and we can save this, save as Muff 1, save and OK. Now with double click on our part we can change this length, let's say 12, and let's click on OK, and we can save this, save as Muff 2 and save. And now with double click we can change this length, let's say 16, and preview and OK, and we can save this Muff 3, OK. But now we've got a problem. As you can see, we've got Muff 1, so we need to change this name with double click, right click, property. We can open our product, and we can save this as Muff 3, apply and OK, and file save, because save as, because this is our Muff 3, save, yes. Now we can open with file, open, we can open our Muff 2, open, and we need to change the name here, so with property we can select our product, and we can say Muff 2 and apply and OK. And we can save this. This is our Muff 2. As you can see here, we've got Muff 2 and Muff 2. And now we can check. This is our Muff 3, as you can see here, and we can open our Muff 1, open, and this is our Muff 1, OK. As always, if you like this content, please consider to subscribe, share and so on. See you soon.